What's up, guys? So me and Brad just bought an RV. It's a 1989 Flair Fleetwood. So this is the front of it. We bought it and it has 37,000 miles on it. It's a 28-footer. It's great condition for its age. It has brand new tires, so they're ready to go. I'll show you guys the inside of it. So our initial plan is to just renovate the whole thing. This is the front of it. So we're gonna probably tear these out. They're a little rough shape. But this is the whole thing of it. It's not too big, not too small. It has everything that we need. We're gonna tear off the wallpaper. We're gonna probably just slap some white paint on it, make it look fresh. Paint the cabinets, like pretty much everything we're gonna be repainting. Putting backsplash on the kitchen area. It's our little bed, little get ready station. This is the bathroom, nothing too fancy here. Definitely tearing out the wallpaper in the shower, putting up new shower tiles and painting it as well. But yeah, this is it. So our plan, so we just put in our 30-day notice. So our plan is to renovate it in the 30 days that we have. And then if we don't finish, then we'll just be renovating on the road. But yeah, this is going to be a trip. This is going to be a trip to do this. I've been researching a ton, so I do have confidence in our renovation abilities. But if you guys just want to follow along on our renovations, I think it should be pretty fun. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated. But I just wanted to show you guys the first, the initial buy and what we have to work with before we get started. So yeah, I hope you guys follow along on the little journey, and we'll see you guys again.
What's up, guys? First day renovating the RV. We're taking down these ugly window coverings. Here, I'll show you. See if I can show you guys real quick. So this wooden stuff that's just nailed in there, this stuff is all screwed in. We're getting rid of these ugly blinds. So now we got all the cabinet doors off. There they are right there. We're gonna take them back to the house tonight. Tonight we'll probably sand them and clean them. Tomorrow we're gonna prime them. Then probably the next day we're gonna paint them. And then hopefully, while that's happening, we're gonna take off this ugly wallpaper here and paint the walls how we want them.
Never mind.
Say something.
I don't know what to say. So right now we are sanding all of the cupboard doors. He has the automated sander.
The electric one?
Yeah, the electric one. And then I'm going with just a hand sander and just getting all the corners and stuff. So when we wash them and then prime them, the prime will actually stick and the paint will actually stick. But yeah. So today we had so much to do to the RV. We were going to sand the cabinet doors, we're gonna wash them, and then we're gonna stain them all today. But today, before we started, we went to the gym and we were squatting and I hurt my back, like so bad. So I have this biofreeze and all we got accomplished was just the sanding, but it's fine. So Brad's out there doing our laundry and he's bringing all of these cabinet doors out to our small garage, while I'm just laying here, just in pain. It hurts when I walk and when I like lay a certain way and when I just stand. I fucked that up. I was trying to squat. I haven't squatted in like a year, and then I tried and didn't warm up enough. I got too excited, but I'm hoping tomorrow I'll feel a little better. If not, then I'm gonna call my massage therapist and see if he can get me in, because I need to get back to work. But yeah, it's like 8:30, so he's gonna bring all of the cabinet doors out to the garage. We decided to sand inside the house. We didn't think it was gonna make that big of a mess because we've never sanded anything before, and it is a disaster. It is such a disaster in here. So we're gonna finish everything else outside. We live in an apartment complex, so we don't have like a yard or anything, so we have to park our RV like 3 blocks down the road behind the high school, or it's an elementary school. So it's such a trek to get down there. So we've been kind of just trekking everything there, trekking everything here. It's been a process, for sure. But we're just gonna clean them tonight and then stain them probably tomorrow. Yeah. So right now we are almost finished painting the cabinet doors, but one thing I did want to mention is if you want to like upgrade your cabinets, like if you buy like an older home or an older RV and you want to upgrade the cabinets, just buy, you know, like I want to upgrade these are really old, these are from 1989, so I want to get some brand new ones. But in order to do that, I used some of this spacking glue, and I just put it in the holes of the old handle, and then later on it's gonna dry white, and I'm just gonna sand it down, make it all smooth so you can't see it, and then you're gonna paint it, or prime it and then paint it, and it's ready to go. But this is like a super easy, simple way to like upgrade your furniture for like a really cheap price. So yes.
You ready for this, babe? Got your mask on?
Yeah.
So we're over here at Home Depot. We're in California and they're requiring masks in all public places. Outside you're supposed to be wearing a mask, whatever. So it's kind of a hassle. We gotta wear it. We're about to go in here. What are we buying, babe? Box cutter, primer, paint, stain.
Yep. Again, seems like every day we go here. Every single day.
We live here. Yeah. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys the inside of the store. Peace.
We did it. We finally installed the new doors. Holy frick. It's been like 2.5, 3 weeks. It's been a lot of fucking work. Honestly, it's been a lot more work than I thought. But we got them in, and they look decent. So that's all that counts, right? But I'll show you guys. This is what they look like right now. We're gonna get some handles for all of them. Right now they used to have like a clip right here. You would clip it and they would unclick, whoops, from here. It was like a latch, and we have some hydraulics in some of them. But yeah, we don't really need handles, but I would like handles. I think they would look a little nicer. But yeah, this one we still have to attach, but oh, and we broke one of the windows, or the mirror, so that's cool, but it's fine. We're fine. I'll hold it. Yeah.
What a jerk.
I know. It's too fast.